Today we will begin reviewing prepositions and prepositional phrases. It is important to be able to memorize all of the prepositions and then identify them in sentences. If you are able to cross out prepositional phrases in sentences, you are able to find the subject and the verb much more easily. So we will begin our grammar study in prepositional phrases. I will show you how to do the first one. I don't have a pencil on the computer screen, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to highlight the prepositional phrase. But I would like you to print this paper out, use a pencil, and cross out the prepositional phrase. The reason why I have you cross out the prepositional phrase is because prepositional phrases are not necessary to have a sentence. They help to show relationships, especially in time and location, but they do not need to be present in order for a sentence to be a sentence. Remember, there are three requirements for a sentence: the subject, the verb, and a complete thought. I'm going to demonstrate with question number 1. Victor is the boy at the microscope. So, at the microscope is the prepositional phrase. Highlight that. Again, at home, please use a pencil and cross it out. The other thing that I would like you to do is write OP over the object of the preposition. The object of the preposition is always a noun. So the prepositional phrase begins always with the preposition and ends always with the noun. Let's try number 2. A presidential candidate is nominated at a national convention. The prepositional phrase is at a national convention. So I am going to cross it out, and then I will write OP over the noun convention. These first two examples only had one prepositional phrase per sentence. However, as you continue to work through the practice, you will find that there can be an unlimited number of prepositional phrases per sentence. Please make sure to cross out every prepositional phrase in each sentence.